This interior design project of a townhouse reflects a deeply personal and imaginative approach, shapes a romantic and whimsical sensibilities. The renovation transformed a neglected 19th century structure into an immersive, storybook-like home that draws on global influences and fantastical themes. Every element within the house was designed to evoke a sense of escapism and childlike wonder, from the rich apricot walls inspired by Venetian architecture to ceilings covered in hand-marbled paper. The color palette and materials are bold and unexpected, like the radiant blue entry hall inspired by Cinderella's gown, paired with traditional Mexican embroidery and English wallpaper for rich cultural and decorative layers. The furnishings serve not only as functional pieces but as animated characters within the home's theatrical narrative. Oversized, colorful sofas and sculptural custom pieces lend the rooms a dynamic presence, echoing the designer's desire for spaces that feel alive. A strong connection between indoor and outdoor living was also central to the renovation. The redesigned garden room and adjoining courtyard, tiled in black and white stone, form a cohesive extension of the interior spaces, emphasizing seamless flow and visual continuity. Architectural enhancements such as French doors, balconies, and multiple fireplaces were added to enrich both atmosphere and functionality. Flexibility is key. Silverleaf wallpaper adapts to seasonal shifts, while ornamental brackets replace art, allowing for rotating object displays. The overall result is an interior environment that balances theatrical fantasy with lived-in warmth, where narrative, texture, and mood are continuously in dialogue. Through this multi-layered design, the home becomes a curated world of its own, animated by both artistic vision and personal history.